6, lesson 4, 5, 6, 9, 7, and our unit is called Let's Eat. Okay? And this book and this unit are all kinds of food all around the world. Okay? Let's start with our units today. There is one fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks like Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Pepsi and Coca-Cola are kinds of fizzy drinks. But we shouldn't drink a lot of fizzy drinks because they are unhealthy. Okay? So we shouldn't drink a lot of fizzy drinks. Why? Because they are unhealthy. Okay? Sweet taste. Sweet taste. We spoke before about rice pudding. Okay? And we said that we add milk, sugar to make it. So the rice pudding has a sweet taste. So what's the meaning of sweet taste? To taste good. Okay? Some a kind of food which tastes good. Okay? So again, sweet taste, something which tastes good. Okay? Spices, spices, spices. We spoke before about many kinds of spices, like cinnamon. Cinnamon is a kind of spices. Red pepper, black pepper. So cinnamon, red pepper, and black pepper are kinds of spices. Okay? So what's the meaning of spices? They are things we add to food to make it tasty. Okay? Something or things we add to food to make it tasty. Okay? So we can add red pepper or black pepper to our food to make it tasty. Okay? Cooking pot. Cooking pot. Cooking pot is a tool we can find in the kitchen. For example, my mother uses a cooking pot to make lunch. Okay? So it's a container, we put ingredients in it to make food. Okay? Or when we are cooking food. Okay? Traditional, traditional, traditional. Traditional means usual. Okay? For example, there are many kinds of traditional Egyptian foods. Okay? Like koshari. We can call koshari a traditional Egyptian food. Okay? Koshari is a traditional Egyptian food. So, traditional means usual. All people, or most of people, like it or do it. Okay? So we are speaking about food. So we have many kinds of traditional Egyptian food like koshari. Okay? We have some expressions here. Give advice on. For example, my teacher gives us gives us advice on how to do our homework well. Okay? So our teacher advises us. So he gives us advice on how to do our homework well. Okay? So give advice on cause illness. For example, viruses and bacteria can cause illness. Viruses and bacteria can cause illness. Okay? Illness means disease. Okay? Like coronavirus. Coronavirus is an illness. Okay? So there is a virus which causes this illness. Okay? Make snacks. Make snacks. My mother makes us snacks at night because we get hungry. Okay? My mother makes us snacks at night because we get hungry. Okay? We have some prepositions here. Add to. Add to. We add sugar to tea to make it tasty. Okay? Or to make it sweet. Type of. Type of. There are many types of traditional Egyptian food. Okay? For example, koshari is a type of traditional Egyptian food. So type means kind. Kind of is the same meaning of type of. A piece of. Yesterday, my mother made a cake and she gave me a piece of it. Okay? Choose. Number 1, polenta is a popular species of fish in Zimbabwe. Type, recipe, ingredient, or menu. So, this is a kind of food. Okay? So the answer will be right. Can I have a space of cake, please? Piece, cup, bottle, glass. Will be piece. We shouldn't have a lot of space drinks. So, healthy, good, careful, or fizzy. So, we took 8 fizzy drinks. Number 4, falafel is a or an space meal for breakfast in Egypt, bad, unknown, unusual, or traditional. So, it's traditional kind of food in Egypt. Okay? Our grammar today about giving advice. We use should, or shouldn't, to say that something is or isn't a good idea. Okay? Here we have should. Before should, we must get a subject like I, we, you, they, he, she, or it, singular noun or plural noun. And after should, we get infinitive. Okay? Like this, we should drink a lot of water. So it's healthy to do that. So it's a good idea. Okay? We should eat healthy food. What about shouldn't? Before shouldn't also we get a subject, and after it we get infinitive. You shouldn't eat too many crisps. So it's an unhealthy thing to do. Okay? So we use shouldn't because it's a bad idea, or it isn't a good idea. Okay? You shouldn't drink too much fruit juice. Okay? So what about questions? We use should as a first with a question, and after that we get subject and infinitive. Okay? To make yes or no questions. Like this, should we eat healthy food? Okay? So we can answer with yes. So the answer would be yes, we should. We can say yes, we should. Okay? Let's practice. Read and correct. Number one, Ali said he shouldn't see a doctor. Is it a good idea or a bad idea? It's a good idea to see a doctor, so we can't use shouldn't. We use shouldn't. What about number two? They should eat healthy food. After should, we said that we get infinitive, and this there is in second form. So the first form of it, or the infinitive, is eat. Omar shouldn't to come late. After should or shouldn't, we mustn't get to. Okay, we get the infinitive. Okay, so we omit to, so it will be come only. Okay, number four, should we study hard? Okay, this is a question. So we start with should, so we must get the verb infinitive. Okay, so studied is the second form of study. So the infinitive will be study. That's all.